Physics Challenge 8, Dielectric Current. Now we have N LED, and each LED has internal resistance S. Okay, so power consumption, we calculate the power consumption for each LED. So in order to do that, we have to find out V here. Okay, so having N of them, this resistance is R plus S. So voltage is R plus S divided by N, because N parallel, then R internal resistance plus R plus S N. Okay, so what's happened is the current I is divided by R plus S. So actually it's NR plus R plus S. Don't forget the B. Okay, so one of them turn off, so N changed to N minus 1. So the power consumption here is VI, so it's a V square NR plus R plus S. What happened to the current once it's turned off? It's going to be N minus 1 R plus S V. So the power is N minus 1 R plus S V square. Okay, so if you take a ratio, this is P1 and P2 before and after. So P1 P2 ratio is going to be N minus 1 R plus S over NR plus R plus S. So you got the answer here. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please check out the videos, and if you like, subscribe.